Yo, what up, my traders? Got a green day today. This video I have 2 day trading days in one video. I got yesterday's action, which is I was red on. I just didn't feel like putting the video up, but I'm putting it up now, so I'm trying to be transparent. And I lost $13 yesterday, and today I made just a little bit over 3. So stay tuned. Yo, traders. So this is yesterday's action. Do have it's a red day from yesterday. I only took one trade, had no buying power. And it was a very annoying trade. It's a halt resume play. It's a halt resume, and I get in way too early. As you see here, I'm gonna get in way too early, and I should have waited for the pullback, but I didn't. And that's like my rule. Like it opened up here, which is a good open, and I'm gonna be up. I'm up. I'm initially up. I say I made my target, but I just wasn't quick enough to put out my order, and I'm getting dumped on. So this is the only trade I took yesterday. So watch out. Attempted halt resume. Washed out to the VWAP. Failed. And it's gonna go against me miserably, pretty miserably here. Cause I'm gonna add to my position. Like I should have cut this. I should have been cut it once it broke 9. I'm in at 940. Should have cut that once it broke 9. So I took the other ad spot here, 915 average. And it looks like I'm going to get a squeeze. Like right here, I should have took it off. I'm only down $1, $2, $1.20. But being foolish, didn't take it off. And only thing I say I do like is that I do have in my risk management folder plan or whatever, is that I don't want to lose more than $10 a trade. I lost $13 on this one trade, which is okay. But now I just readjusted that. Now I'm not losing no more than 10 cents a trade. Like how much? So what I finna start doing is the first couple trades when it opens, I'm gonna have 20-cent stop losses. Then when I start getting some profit under my belt, I'm gonna switch it up to 10-cent stop losses. So I'm gonna start doing it, and I'm gonna start playing these structures as losses too. So here, got the open here, SBEA. This was a hot stop today. And then it sold off towards the end of the day. But anyway, I'm just looking for a washout play towards 14. I think I'm getting at 14. I think I'm getting at 13.50. So yeah, 13. I got into 13.50s coming down. So I jumped in there at 13.80. Looking for 26. Gonna push up. Got it. And then how I'm doing it too is I'm taking, like, I wish I'd have held on to that a little longer, but once I make my 10-cent profit, I'm only taking out half share size. I wasn't doing that let me go back before I say that. I wasn't doing that with CMEG because of commissions, but now I'm gonna, I guess I would say, open up my my playbook, I guess, to ways I know how to trade. And I'm gonna start adding to my positions too, averaging down. Like I was doing that before in my other accounts. Like you look at my other paper trading videos, I was doing that all the time. But when I got with CMEG, I just stopped because of commissions. Didn't really make sense to do that. Didn't really make sense to scale into a position. Didn't really make sense to sell half of my position because I'm still paying commission. So I stopped doing that. Well, I moved away from that. But now, since I'm in this small account and I'm not paying commissions, I'm gonna go back to how I was doing that, which was I was scaling in or scaling out my position instead of letting the second half ride as much as it can. And I average down. I'm gonna start doing that again. So got the little pop. I'm up $2.08. I wish I had held on to it. Look at that. Look at that rip. Anyway, look at this halt resume. Better than the last one. Like you see, like if you look at you can rewind it, but look at this halt resume. It pulls back. It's gonna pull back, which is gonna give me an entry. That's what I need. On these hard resumes, I need the stock to pull back to give me an entry. Then I play it. The other day, when I did this stock, when I traded yesterday, I'm gonna go back to you, show you the difference. Look at that, instantly out. I got a couple more because I let that 5 cents ride a little bit. So now I'm up $4.14 on the day. But you see how that washout was compared to this one? Like, look at this washout. I mean, look at this halt resume. it opens down there, but it didn't pull back. It just opened there. So that's why this was a bad trade. It should have pulled back. It should have opened here, pulled back, then I take a trade. It just opened here. Then I got dumped on. So, yeah. See, look, I'm not gonna talk during it again, but look at this trade. It's gonna pull back. Just open, pulls back to the VWAP, slows down. I jumped in 15.21, and I got out for a little bit profit. Got a little more. So I'm up $2.14. 2 for 2. I didn't capture this trade. I forgot to hit my record button, but this put me up. After this trade here is another 20-cent trade winner. After I made this trade here, I was up $6 on the day, and I'm 3-0. And this right here is gonna be my losing trade right here. Try to play a little dip play. This is real weak. I got in. I didn't like my feel when I got in. I wanted to get in at 850, but it put me in at 859, and I just stopped out. So now I'm only up $3.68. I was really up $6. Then I lost that. It was up $3.68. Let's run it back. So I jumped in there. This got real heavy, but this heavy. So stopped out. Don't really like that trade. I don't really like this trade. At the 1 minute, it made a new low here. I mean, I entered right. It's just that I don't like how this candle look. I don't like that wick on the bottom. I wish it was like a red candle or something. But anyway, I made $3.68 today, you guys. Thank you guys for watching this. I know it's like a little sloppy video, but got it out there. Thank you guys.